6/3/2013, time 12:56 p.m., 4 minutes to the close. We are going to take a look at the intraday range on Google today. And what we're going to look at is this portion of the MMT platform. On the opening bell today, we sold straight down. We are having that big reversal pattern that happened right here at this time frame that I would like to point out to the MMTs. Google had a high of 873, which is right up here on the open. And what it ended up happening was that we sold all the way down to 855. What I would like to point out to the MMTs and people is that the price volatility intraday range was 18.95. We are $11.74 off of the low and $7.21 off of the high. What I would like to tell people is that within this bull rally on the leadership, when these things sell down to their bottoms, they're worth buying. This is the one on Google. Learn how to sell short on that opening bell. It's been the first calendar day of the year where we got that sell, and it continued to sell down until it finally made its lows and washed out all the buyers. And when the sellers were out of the way, we put the bottom in price volatility. We pulled back in the volatility, and we came right back up here in the platform and tested where the major this part of the morning reversal was. So buying that support level is the key. Another thing that we want to bring to your awareness, go to trading at stockmarketfunding.com, hit open an account. Here you can get signed up right away. You can get started for free right away. You can also get buying power, trading capital that we will provide to you for your trading account. So get signed up now. One of the things that we would like to show you is that there's lots of advantages in taking advantage of our program. You can get started for free on your free 5-day trial, and you can see lots of things that we have done in here at stockmarketfunding.com. So, learn how to trade at the bottom of the support in the bull rally and selling right into resistances, and then having the back-end trade management set up for you on a month-to-month level with trading capital that can be provided to you when opening an account. Get with this, inquire right away. Once again, it's about the intraday ranges. How do I sell? It went down 18.95 and it's come back up 11.93. That is a big trading ranges. One of the things that we would like to also point out is how you could use the call options on Google. So when Google's at the bottom, like it was, you can buy call options in the option pit. And right here, we can clearly see that Google, you go to the Google, and the $860 call is the one that paid huge today. So we just now hit the closing bell, and here were the calls that could have been traded and were traded, the 860s. I will show the range on these on the 860 call. The low was 730. There were 1680. Over the weekend, we did a live video talking about with our MMT market makers in our trading division is that these could go down to 750. They did. The high was 1592. They closed at 1680, and then they're printing out the last print at 1260. That meant when Google hit that low end of support level, everyone, because it did, once it hit that low down here, we were at the very, very lows here. When we were at the low of 855, that's when the call hit down here at 733. Then, as we started to build up and break out, pull back, the calls went up. When we broke out, you can see that they gapped the prices artificially in the high-frequency model. Some of these are $2 price gaps intraday, and that's what took those calls up from the wholesale level. Once again, we see a huge increase in the actual intraday swing. There is going to be economic data that comes out this week, the monthly jobs report. Nonetheless, Google was on sale at $855. It went from the high of 873 down to 855, and the last print, it came from 855 and closed the last print at 867.05. That's the daily market recap on the Google Market Maker trade.